Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make simple fried eggs with potatoes. Ingredients you need to have: 3 eggs, peeled potato, frying pan, salt, cooking oil, and a spoon, and gas cooker. Okay, we are going to cut the potatoes and make it into slices. We have cut our potatoes into slices. We are going to pour the cooking oil into the frying pan. Then we're going to fry the potatoes. Okay, our oil is getting hot. To put our potatoes. Spread all of them so that they can get good oil. They can get hot oil. You can also turn them around. See, the color is almost changing well because it's getting cooked. The color is getting well. To heat these eggs so that they can contaminate well. It has contaminated well. I'm going to pour the egg here into our frying pan. I'm going to change this egg. The top layer should be at the bottom and the bottom layer should be at the top. To do that, it's easily simple. You just take a plate and another plate, then you just put upside down those plates and it's easily can be changed. Yes, we have changed our eggs and then it's almost getting ready. Yes, now you let's put the salt. It's ready and you can easily serve it. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below, and thank you for watching. Bye.